Thanks for joining us today on Dance Dance BG. I'm Christina Robertson. Sitting with me today is Brianna Adams, choreographer for the University Dance Alliance here on campus. She is here to tell us about this organization and what makes it so great. Brianna, thank you for being here.
Christina, thank you for having me.
Of course. So what does UDA look for in a dance member?
UDA looks for a dance member that is very passionate about dance, who wants to dance but sometimes may not have the time commitment. Someone who just overall is just a great dancer and a great person. So,
awesome.
yeah.
And then what do you look for specifically when you're looking at different potential members?
I definitely look for someone with really good energy, someone who wants to learn, and someone who has good energy, and someone who loves to dance as well.
Cool. And then can you describe the audition process?
Yes. So we have a 4-hour audition process on
Okay.
Sundays. Yes. But it is split up into 4 one-hour processes. So we basically have people sign up on a page for each audition, whichever works for them time-wise. And we have either exec members or just a member on the team teach a combination of hip-hop, jazz, ballet, anything like that, and they learn it, and we have the choreographers, who are also current members, sit at the front and basically pick their number and whatnot, and
Cool.
that's kind of how we do it.
And then you talked about exec members, so how does a member become an exec member?
So you just have to be on the team for about a semester, and you just really have to show passion and love for UDA, and that's basically how you become it. People vote for you and everything,
Awesome, well that's good to know.
Yes.
And what can you tell us about the free dance classes that UDA offers?
They are offered on Wednesday nights from 7:30 to 9 p.m. and they are taught by either an exec member or a current member on the team. And we basically just teach a minute to a minute 30 combo, and you just learn a dance routine, and it's a good time.
Yeah, and then do you have a favorite specific style that you like to teach, or just any dance that stood out to you that you have taught?
I definitely love hip hop. I love rap music, love R&B, love all that. It's definitely my favorite style to do and to teach, and I also am just very influenced by hip-hop choreographers and dancers as well.
Awesome. And then do you have a favorite class that you've ever taken from any outside choreographers?
I have. So one of my favorite choreographers, her name is Isabel Capitule. I took her class in Maryland, Ellicott, I believe is what it's called. And I took it there. It was $30, and it was the best $30 I've ever spent in my life.
Awesome.
It was a really cool, almost emotional experience, because I never really got to experience real street hip hop. And that was the first time I ever did, and everyone was just so welcoming, because I went there literally by myself. I was just like, hey, let me just try something. So it's definitely
well, that's
awesome.
really cool to hear.
Yes.
And do members need to have prior dance experience to be considered for the team?
We don't really ask of any specific dance experience. We just ask that you come with a love of dance, and that is all that matters. So.
Yeah, and then what is your prior dance experience?
So I have actually danced for 13 years. I've danced pretty much all my life. I've experienced all different styles. I've done competitive dance teams. I have done recreational classes, have done classes by famous people as well, which is really dope. So I have a lot of experience under my belt. So this is just something that I can kind of showcase that in.
Yeah, awesome. And what is your favorite part about the showcases that your team puts on every year?
I love the showcases because it just shows the diversity that we have in UDA. It just shows all the creativity, all the hard work that everyone, the choreographers and the dancers as well, put into it. So it's just very cool seeing everybody do what they do.
Yeah, and then when is the next showcase?
The next showcase is November 27th through 31st.
Okay, and then is there any cost for that?
Yes, so we have a showcase on Thursday night. It's for students only. That usually sells out pretty fast. It's $3, and that is at Epler. And Friday is at Epler as well. It's $5. Usually a lot of family comes to that. And then Saturday we have one at the BG High School, which is $5 as well.
Awesome. And then why do you believe that UDA is an important organization?
I definitely believe that it has a diversity and inclusion of different college students all around the campus. We love everyone that loves to dance, so come to UDA.
Well, thank you, and there you have it. That was Brianna Adams on BGSU's University Dance Alliance. Tune in next week on Dance Dance BG to learn more about the dance community on campus. Thanks for watching.